Okay, old engine's in there, needs to be out here. New engine's right there, needs to go in there. Yes. Huh. Okay, let's motivate.
Shit'll buff out.
Gentlemen, scholars,
Dude, you're talking about your viewers. What are you talking about?
my tens of viewers, I'm sorry.
I have.
I mean,
some.
after you
I'd
go
actually
on
like to
scholars
learn
and
more
shit, you
about
might be
that,
down to
because
ones
I've
of
always
visitors.
been-
Ones of
viewers.
that's about right. Ones of visitors. they visit in to see it like, oh, this guy sucks.
Yeah, we're not watching this.
The time has come. We're gonna yank the heads off this thing and see what exactly I broke. It's probably gonna be
Gotcha.
like it's gonna be a loose rocker arm.
It's on that side.
I put this engine back in.
Bet you. I'm gonna say, even if it is a loose rocker arm, you're still not putting this engine back in because I know you.
No, I already bought that one. It's a matter of, it's personal now.
You know what I miss when I'm at your shop and I'm not at work with my tool cart? Is my side tray where I can put shit.
All right, we're gonna set you guys up on the guy pod over there with 3 legs, and here we go.
6 hours here.
Dude, I don't know if that was all there. Hold on. I don't know. Was that all there?
All the leaves?
No.
Oh, the metal? No, that wasn't there.
Okay. We're fine then.
I has the thinking sometimes.
Crooked. Yep. Still coated with carbon. We're good. Oh damn! It's got the balls. Really surprised at that. There.
Ooh, it's not happy.
Is there smoke coming out of that one yet?
I mean,
It's good.
It's not visible, but it's definitely smellable.
Which one's the shiny one?
They're shiny, dude.
I mean, like, you know the shiny one, though. No. 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 Alright, we're good on that side. There's always usually one on one bank that's shiny.
You just want to pull the valve covers to start, or you want to get the heads off?
I want to get this head off.
This is the side that had the problem.
Okay, yeah, you're right then. Walker's on top of it, okay? I want to get one of the... See, that's a shiny one. See how, like, the wear pattern on it?
Well, I think that's crooked. I think it's
And then, like, that's a normal one. You see it?
Look, when you have a program with only the finest used parts,
The finest used parts.
it's okay. It's nothing to be ashamed of.
And we got the big boy right here.
10 for the steam hoses. It's right here, I think. Pretty sure this is it.
My socket, big boy.
Not a problem. That back 10mm bolt was loose.
That's the demon tweak.
That's how you don't break it, because you vent just enough cylinder pressure.
Switch.
Oh, yeah, good call.
See, I don't have a magnet here.
I
I don't got a flashlight either. Shit!
You ain't got anything. What's up with you?
I got nothing.
You might have crossed it out.
What?
Might have put a little bit of nature's Loctite on them.
No.
Good old cross thread.
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Ain't no tied thread than a cross thread.
I can literally see smoke coming out of it.
Yeah, I think it's had it.
You gotta give it up for the Gen 1 Milwaukee, everybody.
It lasted forever.
Crowd screaming.
I'm still gonna use it.
I'm still gonna send it.
All right, so this is the unveiling. And what do we expect to see, you think? All right, so my money's on hole in the piston. Your money's on what?
You melted it.
Melted it? You think so?
Yeah.
At least the side. We melted the side. Unopening right now. Very little coolant mess. Oh yeah, you can see it. It bounced around in there.
Yeah, you broke it right there.
Oh yeah, yeah, that was a good one. Winner, chicken dinner right there. Where's the flashlight at? Oh yeah. Yeah, that one got melted pretty good. Like, let's look at the other ones real quick. Make sure nothing danced around in any other cylinders. Hold on, stop right there. It's been like broken so long that like it's like been rusting in the spot that it's been vacant.
Really? Oh shit.
I fucking hate you.
Why?
Because you guessed it. Rip this one off. Absolutely perfect.
Dude, these are so much lighter than those big blockheads.
Yeah, you think?
I just don't know what's wrong with your engine there, Cody.
I don't know, man. Like I just don't know. Honestly, I probably could just pop a piston out of that motor, put it back on this one, and stuff it back in the car.
That'd be more work than swapping cam and springs, to be honest.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, I'm really not even mad. Like that engine was a trooper. What I want to know is like why
it butted?
Yeah, like look at the rest of the cylinders. They look great. That one leaned out tremendously.
I don't know.
Now that I see that this actually like leaned out so bad that it broke a ring land.
Well, that's not no. Piston rings butt and break a ring line.
Well, yeah. But why? What causes them to butt though? Heat from being
combustion.
I combustioned my engine to death. The only thing I'm gonna take out is another oil pressure sending unit when I gotta take this engine out again. Hey,
came with one.
Dude, that thing is mint, dude. Here in the great state of Texas, I got this thing for $500. $500, and
it included everything.
And it included everything, and the guy's word their run. So we're gonna see what happens.
And he's trustworthy.
He seemed like a really trustworthy guy. You'll see that. You'll see that guy. You know what? I'm gonna stand up for that guy because I got that guy on video, and I'm obligated to.
It definitely probably works just as well as he says it does.
I mean, he seemed really cool. Like he helped us pull it out. I still got a strap I got to bring back to his house. I'm the dirtbag. I'm the piece of shit.
Now
like it usually is.
Now you are.
Oh, dude, that always. Did you remember it before? It would lock up. Like you would spin it and it was like.
Oh yeah.
You know what I did? I broke it loose.
All the pulleys making noise.
Hey, you know what? That's good. That's a job history.
Yeah, insert clip of job history.
Insert clip of job history. Well, we know what happened to the engine. Now we got to put all the good stuff in the new bad engine.
Dude, you said the dude was trustworthy.
Well, it's going to be bad when I'm done with it.
Solid point. What are you talking about? It's in your garage. It's already bad.
It's already bad. And I cleaned so much!
Drive this piece of crap off a cliff. Do us all a favor.
Does this look like a piece of crap to you? You like them spinning tires, do you?
You suck!
You do!